Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm also good. Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for asking. Yeah, I'm doing good.
Sir, I think this is our second conversation, and
This, yes, this is our second conversation.
since we talked,
Yes, yes.
thank you for giving me your time. And sir,
Oh,
actually decided that we will talk little bit regarding health.
yes, 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 yes. I know about it.
So that nowadays people are chasing for money, power. What do you think about that?
I think we should try to be fit and healthy first because health is very important for all. Without if you don't have good health, then and you have a lots of money, then I think that money waste for you because your health is very important for you. That's why you should do exercise on daily basis and you should get good health first, then you will have to chase money and all these things, and you can easily get. If you have good health, then you can easily get all these things, and you can get success, you can get money, but first you have to get health.
So would you like to explain in earlier video as you said that you are very fatty and now how you increase or decrease your weight?
Yes, ma'am, I can tell you. Yes, as I told you, I think last year I got corona infected, and at that time I was in very critical condition because my fever was not decreasing, and doctor told me you are overweight, you have a lots of fat, that's why you are facing lots of difficulties, and you have a lots of symptom of coronavirus because of your overweight and you are fatty. At the time I decided I should do something for me and for my health. That's why I started my journey, and I lost 32 kg weight within 6 months. Yeah, in the beginning of my journey, in the beginning of 3 months I lost 21 kg, and in next 3 months I lost 11 kg. Yeah,
Okay.
it's all about my hard work, it's all about my research, and I was very consistent in my journey and very disciplined as well. That's why I could get this achievement. Yes,
So yes, that's true, sir. If you do hard work and if you do perseverance, everything is
yes,
possible.
yes,
It's only
everything is possible. Yes, I can do it, then everyone can
so
do it.
what is your overall weight that time?
At the time I was at 96 kg,
Okay,
and right now I am 64
okay,
64
sir.
kg.
Yes, that's very great that you have reduced almost half.
Half percent my body for my body. Yes.
What diet you are taking?
Yeah, I did change lots of things in my lifestyle, in my diet. Like I didn't take any kind of outside food. I completely avoided outside food like junk food, like spicy food, like oily and fried food. I took only homemade food. I had only healthy foods. All these things I followed, and I got the result. I did lots of exercises, and I did lots of changes in my lifestyle, like sleeping style, like eating styles. All these things I changed, and I got the result.
So would you like to explain yourself what is your journey, how you success on that?
As I told you, as I told you, I think I do night shift. I have a very tough daily routine, and at that time at 5:30 in morning I logged off my system, and then I used to park, and I used to do run, and I used to play badminton, and I used to do lots of exercises, I think for 2 hours.
Every day
For
you are doing 2 hours
every day,
exercise
every day I used to do for 2 hours exercises.
in the morning
And
or in the
in the
evening.
morning, after logging off my system. Yeah.
Okay.
I used to run 5 to 6 kilometer on daily basis, and for 1 hour I used to play badminton, and for half an hour I used to do exercises like jumping rope, like some kind of cardio, like push-ups, all these things I used to do. And then I came back my home, and I I had I had taken some hot water. Then after half an hour, mm, after half an hour. I used to take my breakfast, and all these things I did in my journey.
So that's very inspiring.
I have
I think lots of people inspire.
I followed all things very strictly and very honestly, because if you want to get something, if you want to get big achievement in your life, if you want to transformation your body, then you have to be consistent and more disciplined and honest. You have to be patient. All these things
Yes, sir.
you have,
That's
you should have. Yeah, you should have. Yeah.
you are very. I think you are very hardworking, and you're also working in multinational company. Would you
Uh,
like to tell me? So many people nowadays, so many students are want
yes.
to in multinational company, but they think that it's very hard. So would you like to tell any tricks or tips so that
Uh,
student may?
it's not a tough task. You have to be graduate first. If you are graduate, then you can get the job in multinational company, and you know some little bit about English, like so you can give your introduction in interview, and so you can then if you have these things, you can get the job. It's not a very big task. Yeah.
Uh,
Firstly, you have to complete your graduation, and you have to know some little bit about English. Then you can crack the interview easily.
so according to you, what do you mean by happiness? What?
Okay, ma'am. According to me, ma'am, because I have to be satisfied whatever I have in my life. If I am satisfied for all these things, then I can be happy. If I am not satisfied whatever I have, then I cannot be happy. I always feel unhappy.
Hello.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
I don't know. It's what happening. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you, and you are visible as well.
I don't know what happened. It's become blank. I'm not able to see where.
But I'm able to see
Once
you.
again, we will talk regarding to that. Okay.
Yes,
Sir, as you said that health is very important for our life.
yes, yes,
Everyone had their own opinion. If you have good health, people get happy. If you have lots of money, they people get happy. And if somebody have lots of power, they are happy. What do you think about that? Nowadays, people are chasing for money, fame, power.
ma'am.
Is it
Yes.
good to
According
be
to me,
chasing
yeah.
for that things?
According to me, if you don't have good health and you have lots of power, you have a lots of money, these all things waste for you, because without good health you cannot achieve anything else. You cannot live your life easily and comfortable without health, because if you don't have health you have lots of disease, like you have heart disease, like you have diabetes, you have depression problem, you have sleeping problems, you have lots of problems. Then what will you do for money and for power?
So that's true. You may say that, sir, money is just a number. If
Yes,
somebody is
but
feeling that money gives you happy, then it's not going to happen because it's a number.
yes,
It's endless.
yes, you are right. It's just numbers. Yeah.
So nowadays, what you are doing to improve yourself? What kind of things you are doing? As you said that you are doing, you are very healthy person. You are concentrate about fitness, all kind of things. Apart from that, what you do other things to improve, enhance yourself?
I'm doing lots of things. As I told you, I have been working in MNC for last 9 years, and I have a lots of knowledge about my process. Whatever work I am doing right now, I am advanced Excel trainer as well. But I'm lacking in English. That's why I could not get achievement which I deserve. That's why right now these days I have been working on my English, and I have been doing lots of things, like I watch lots of videos on YouTube, on TEDx show, and I have been reading as well and reading it out. And I sometimes I record my videos on my mobile selfie camera, and all these things I am doing. And I took a session on English Yari as well.
That's very good. That's very good. But I feel that your English is very good, but it's happened because we are Indian. We don't
Yes,
have
yes,
that type. environment to
It's
communicate
not a
with others.
native language. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. I'm
It's
trying to. Yes.
it's true that if you want promotion or if you face any kind of client and
Yes.
if you
Yes.
have communication, then you can easily communicate with that person. English is a medium to communicate with others, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. You're right. I just started my journey in English in terms of English. I think 2 months ago. 2 months ago, and it seems to me I'm improving, and I'm trying to do lots of things, whatever I can do.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And I think you are improving very rapidly.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir. That's
Doing
true. Because
you are doing yeah.
I'm also, I'm from English medium school, but that time I'm not talking with anyone
Okay.
because I'm so comfortable in Hindi, all kind of things, or in my mother tongue. So I feel that English is a language. If you do practice,
Yes.
you become fluent.
Yes. Yes.
So I'm
But
also, yes,
but
I'm also
yeah.
teaching in English Yari to the beginners.
Yes. Yes. It's good. I was Hindi medium student, and I did my study from government school. That's why you can understand what's the government school condition at that time. Right now it's fine, but at the time it was very critical condition of our government school. That's why I faced trouble while speaking English, and there is nobody in my family with whom I can talk in English. Yeah.
So it happened. We are Indian. We don't get that type of environment, but we have to seek all possible corners through
Yes.
which,
Yes.
like, to watch something, we have to read something. We also make some new friends, those who are interested in talking in English.
Yeah.
Nowadays,
But yeah.
we
But
are
because of coronavirus, because of the lockdown, you cannot go outside. I'm working from home for last 1.5 year. This is the main concern. I'm not familiar of English, but right now I'm trying too hard.
would you like to explain your experience in English, Yari?
Yeah, it's been a very wonderful experience for me, and I had 20 session from English Yari, and it was been a very good experience for me, and it seems to me I am improving. Yeah, all teachers are very good. They are very
Yes,
cooperative. They are very cooperative and motivated as well, and they have a good knowledge about English. They have a good command of English. Yes.
that's true. That's true. Yes, sir. So you also have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I have YouTube channel, and my channel name is Fitness Dost Haider. Yes. I share
What?
my thoughts. I share my journey on my YouTube channel. Yes. Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
I'm saying which kind of content you are uploading there.
Yeah, it's totally about fitness and health. How to lose your weight, how to be healthy and fit, what to do, and all these things I share on my YouTube channel. I motivate others so that
That's
people can
really
inspire. Yeah, people,
inspiring
yeah, people
because
can people can inspire and motivate as well. They know how health is important for us and how they can do. Because I can do, then everybody can do. But you should have a strong desire to do anything else.
that's true, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you for giving your precious time,
Yeah.
and hope
Thank you.
we will communicate.
Yeah, definitely we'll talk again. Yeah. We had a
Sir.
great conversation. Yeah. Thank you so much.